today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, I have insane news for every single Bitcoin holder out there. Guys, watch this video until the very end. If you watched yesterday's video, actually one of the 90,000 people who watched my video yesterday, Bitcoin, I am all in today. You are probably either asking yourself, wow, why does this guy have such huge balls? Or why is he so crazy right now? I will talk about my decision. I will talk about this prediction for Bitcoin right now and what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. I do need you to smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I am literally here sitting in the jungle next to my Muay Thai gym. But if you want me to push these videos no matter where I am, no matter when I am, to give it to you in a time-sensitive manner, I need this feedback here from you. So smash up the like button. And now let's go straight into the content. I always love to go down into the comment section and to see your thoughts. First of all, let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Why did I yesterday, and actually go back and check it out. This video here, I uploaded literally at the low. I uploaded this video when Bitcoin hit 35,000 US dollars, even slightly below. And I was telling you, guys, I am going all in. I had people laughing at me. I had people spitting at me in the comment section, ridiculing me. Now let's evaluate the situation and let us see what is going on for Bitcoin right now. And yes, we had a black swan event yesterday. A big shock actually hitting the markets, Russia and Ukraine. And yes, it saddens me emotionally, but investment wise, I am detaching my emotions from my investment decisions. This is why I told you yesterday, this is a bullish event. It's a sad event. Humanitarian wise, obviously it is a bullish event, however, for Bitcoin. And why? I want to talk about these fundamental reasons very shortly. First of all, let's talk about what's going on here in the Bitcoin charts right now, because what you can see on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin is that we are still in this descending boarding that we just broke out of this descending boarding wedge. Yes, I had a trade before, it got faked out because the bearish news were coming afterwards, or the shocking news were coming afterwards. However, Bitcoin is back on track towards the upside. And now we have to evaluate, is this run towards the upside gonna go further, or are we going to get a rejection very soon? If you are extremely bullish in the immediate short term, I do wanna tell you, hey guys, maybe you sit down, you calm down, and you wait for the last confirmation, because I am myself not opening a new long position right now. If we are going straight into the charts, you can see we got here the fake out where I myself lost my trade, stopped out. But now we are going higher, and this is something I talked about yesterday. This event will shake the markets, maybe might continue to shake the markets. Maybe people being very bullish right now for the immediate short term are a little bit too fast, should wait a little bit longer. But nevertheless, this whole event is a bullish event for Bitcoin. Every single time we have in global fear, uncertainty and doubt, it turns out to be a good thing for Bitcoin. Remember February 2020, the Black Thursday. Now we got here this breakout. We got the confirmation of the breakout. However, we did not break above the previous rejection point. Only if Bitcoin breaks and closes above the 40,000 US dollar level, I would only start considering the bullish price target of 41,000 US dollars here to come into place the top of the wedge, and of course also then a potential retest of this horizontal resistance. As long as this is not happening, I just want to tell you, lean back, relax, and don't be too fast with your trading decisions, as I myself right now stepping back and waiting a little bit longer. However, this whole thing is bullish. I said it yesterday. And if you don't believe me, maybe you believe Michael Saylor, who was posting it today. He was saying wars create inflation, cripple commerce, and make Bitcoin compelling. I mean, guys, think about it. When there is a war, we are always having things like corn, oil, silver, gold. All of these things are increasing in prices. Federal Reserve, central banks are actually easing their policy. We had tapering recently, right? We had them, of course, increasing interest rates, slowing down money printing, and so on. Let me quickly sit down. with a war, they can't do this. They have to be more easy. They have to do quantitative easing in their policy. And actually, let me show you this little clip here from Michael Saylor. He uploaded it just recently.
Unfortunately.
Listen very, very closely.
What would you anticipate the next move being from the Fed in that case?
So this takes 50 basis points completely off the table. It takes the 8-9 hikes that a lot of people were talking about for this year off the table, and thankfully so, because you heard me say on your show that I didn't think the U.S. economy could accommodate and live with such slamming of the brakes of monetary policy. It means the Fed is going to have to be even more careful, and it's going to have to tolerate higher inflation. Nobody wanted to be here, but we were already far away from the world of first best in terms of monetary policy, and now we're going to get even further away. So we're gonna have a very sort of unsatisfactory situation when it comes to it.
As you can see, actually, this is just price-wise, right? Not ethically or anything else. Price-wise, this is a bullish event, of course, for Bitcoin. Just beam yourself back 2 years ago to the Black Thursday. If you had bought Bitcoin there when it dumped from 9,000 to like 6,000 US dollars, well, you could have waited. Maybe you would have bought Bitcoin at 3,800 if you really catch the bottom. But just like 2 weeks later, the price was already much, much higher. It is a similar situation right now. Yes, we might go lower, we might not go lower. However, the biggest cost might be opportunity cost. If you are continuing to stay on the sidelines and you are going to miss the low for Bitcoin, whether it was yesterday when I uploaded my all-in video, whether it's in 2 weeks when we are dumping down to 30,000 or whatever, the low is in or it's close. And this is just something I wanted to tell you. Don't freak out. Of course, all my love, all my appreciation out to people in Ukraine, to every single one in the world. Make love, make peace, don't make war. I truly stand for that with my name. That's why I'm tweeting a lot about that recently. And yeah, I truly hope you are following that that thought process as well. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.